Hi everyone, this is Cassie from Ringpack. Welcome to my channel.
Today I'm very happy to share some sample bags we did for packing flowers with different size according to different capacity. This is the smallest one, only can pack 1 gram. The common size is 3.2 inch width, 4 inch height and 2 inch bottom gusset. Next is 3.5 gram. Most customers choose this capacity. It is 4 inch width, 5 inch height and 2 inch bottom gusset. This slightly bigger one is 7 gram. Size is 4 inch width, 6 inch height and 2.4 inch bottom gusset. This is 28 gram capacity. The recommended size is 6 inch wide, 9 inch height and 2.8 inch bottom gusset. The largest one is 1 pound. Usually the size is 14 wide, 15 height and 5.5 inch bottom gusset.
If you are interested, please contact us. I will see you next time. Bye bye.